Becoming a millionaire in Kenya is a dream that many people have. The good news is that it is possible. However, it does not happen overnight. Most millionaires become wealthy after years of hard work, smart decisions, discipline, and patience. There are no magic shortcuts. If someone promises to make you rich very quickly, you should be careful because many such promises turn out to be scams. A millionaire is simply a person whose total wealth is worth at least 1 million Kenyan shillings. This may sound like a huge amount of money, but it is more achievable than many people think. With rising prices over the years, 1 million Kenyan shillings is no longer enough to retire comfortably, but it is still an important financial milestone. The real goal should be to continue building wealth long after reaching your first million. The first step is to develop the right mindset. Many people believe that becoming rich depends on luck. In reality, successful people usually think differently. They see problems as business opportunities. They are willing to learn new skills, work hard, and improve themselves every day. They understand that wealth is built slowly through consistent effort. The second step is to increase your income. Saving alone will rarely make you a millionaire if your income is very low. You should look for ways to earn more money. This may mean asking for a better paying job after improving your skills, starting a side business, freelancing online, farming, offering professional services, or learning digital skills that are in high demand. The more valuable your skills become, the higher your earning potential. The third step is to live below your means. This is one of the habits shared by many wealthy people. When your income increases, avoid increasing your spending at the same rate. Instead of buying an expensive car immediately after getting a salary increase, continue living modestly and save the extra money. Many people appear rich because they spend a lot, but true wealth is built by keeping expenses under control. The fourth step is to create a realistic budget. Every Kenyan shilling should have a purpose. List all your income and expenses every month. Identify areas where you are wasting money, such as unnecessary subscriptions, impulse buying, or eating out too often. Small savings made consistently can grow into large amounts over time. The fifth step is to build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. You may lose your job, face medical expenses, or experience business losses. Having savings that can cover several months of living expenses prevents you from borrowing money at high interest rates during difficult times. An emergency fund also gives you peace of mind and allows you to make better financial decisions. The sixth step is to avoid unnecessary debt. Not all debt is bad. A loan used to grow a profitable business or purchase productive assets may help increase your wealth. However, borrowing money to buy luxury items or finance an expensive lifestyle often creates financial problems. Before taking any loan, ask yourself whether it will help you earn more money in the future. The seventh step is to save consistently. Do not wait until you have a large income before saving. Make saving a habit regardless of how much you earn. Even a small amount saved every month builds financial discipline. As your income grows, increase the amount you save instead of increasing your spending. The eighth step is to invest your money wisely. Money kept idle for many years loses value because the cost of living continues to rise. Investing allows your money to grow. In Kenya, there are several investment opportunities, including money market funds, government bonds, shares, real estate, farming, and profitable businesses. Every investment has risks, so take time to understand it before investing your money. The ninth step is to start a business if possible. Many Kenyan millionaires built their wealth through entrepreneurship. A successful business has the potential to generate income even when you are not actively working every hour. Choose a business that solves real problems for customers. Focus on quality products, excellent customer service, and careful financial management. A small business can grow into a large enterprise if managed well. The 10th step is to invest in yourself. Your knowledge and skills are valuable assets. Read books, attend training, learn online, and improve your communication, leadership, and financial management skills. People who continue learning often discover new opportunities that others cannot see. The 11th step is to build multiple sources of income. Depending on one's salary can be risky. Consider creating additional income through rental property, farming, investments, online businesses, consulting, or dividend-paying investments. Multiple income streams provide financial security and help you reach your financial goals faster. The 12th step is to network with successful people. Spend time with individuals who inspire you to improve. Learn from business owners, investors, professionals, and mentors who have achieved financial success. Good relationships often lead to valuable advice, partnerships, and business opportunities. The 13th step is to manage risk carefully. Do not invest all your money in one business or one investment. Diversifying your investments reduces the chances of losing everything if one investment performs poorly. Always do your own research before making financial decisions. The 14th step is to be patient. Wealth creation takes time. Some businesses may take several years before becoming profitable. Investments may also need many years to grow significantly. Many people fail because they expect quick results and give up too early. The 15th step is to avoid comparing yourself with others. Social media often creates the impression that everyone is becoming rich quickly. In reality, many people only display their best moments while hiding their financial struggles. Focus on your own financial journey and celebrate your progress. Another important habit is keeping proper financial records. Whether you are employed or running a business, always know how much money is coming in and how much is going out. Good records help you identify profitable activities and eliminate unnecessary expenses. Protecting your wealth is also important. As your assets grow, consider having appropriate insurance where necessary. This can help protect your business, property, health, or family from unexpected financial losses. Building wealth is not only about making money, but also about preserving it. Taxes should never be ignored. Pay your taxes honestly and keep your financial affairs in order. Avoid illegal shortcuts that could result in heavy penalties or legal problems. Long-term wealth is built through integrity and responsible financial management. Technology can also help you become a millionaire. Many Kenyans now earn money through online businesses, content creation, software development, digital marketing, online teaching, and e-commerce. The internet has opened opportunities that were difficult to access just a few years ago. Learning digital skills may significantly increase your income. Remember that setbacks are normal. Businesses sometimes fail. Investments may lose value temporarily. Jobs can be lost. The important thing is to learn from mistakes, adapt, and continue moving forward. Every successful entrepreneur has experienced challenges before achieving success. Generosity is another valuable habit. Helping others, supporting your community, and treating employees and customers fairly build trust and a strong reputation. Good character often creates opportunities that money alone cannot buy. Finally, becoming a millionaire in Kenya is not about chasing quick riches. It is about building a strong financial foundation step by step. Increase your income, spend wisely, save consistently, invest carefully, continue learning, and remain patient. Small, disciplined actions repeated over many years can produce remarkable results. If you stay focused on your goals and avoid shortcuts, your journey to becoming a millionaire can become a reality.